Hi students, welcome to UHV2 lecture series. This lecturer is Rekha, Associate Professor, RMD Engineering College, Kavarapet, Chennai. Today we are going to see definitiveness of human conduct, part 1, that is ethical behavior of human conduct based on values. Okay, so we will be seeing this as three parts. In that first part, we will be seeing it as values. Definitiveness of ethical human conduct. Let us see this ethical human conduct at all levels. Okay, let us start with self. Harmony at the level of self. We need happiness in continuity, right? Harmony of the self with the body. It is self-regulation for the self and health for the body. If these two are there, then harmony is there between self and body. Harmony in the family, in human relationship is mutual happiness, trust, fearlessness, and justice. Yes, mutual happiness, trust, fearlessness, and justice. Harmony with the rest of nature. It is mutual prosperity. Prosperity in human being and preservation of rest of nature. We need to safeguard the environment and hand over this environment for the future generation. That is preservation of rest of nature. Harmony with whole of nature but existence. It is mere coexistence. Man should have a feeling of coexistence with the entire nature, mutual fulfillment with entire nature. Here we need to have an earth-centric view, not the man-centric view and dominate the nature. We are doing the same, but we need to change ourselves. We need to have this ethical human conduct that nature, we are part of the nature. Ethical human conduct view 1. That is, this we have seen as a pure self. This slide we have seen it as a pure self. Here, for ethical human conduct, most important part is this realization, right? Realization. What realization we want? Realization within about the nature and existence. Ethical human conduct view 2. Ethical human conduct can further be grasped in terms of values, policies, and character. In this video lecture, we are going to focus on values. Values. Let us see values. What is values? Understanding what to do as a human being and what not to do as a human being. Do's and don'ts. Understanding. Very important word is understanding. Do's and don'ts. Understanding of role of human being in existence. What is the role of human being in the existence? It is for mutual fulfillment. It is not for taking everything from the nature alone. We need to give back something to the nature. Once we have the right understanding of relationship, harmony and coexistence, we are able to see our natural participation or values at all levels of being, from individual to family, society and natural existence. It is right understanding which is helping us to be a part of nature. So basis for values are right understanding. This participation or human values are definite and form the basis of our ethical human conduct. See, when our participation turns out to be definite, then we have human values or ethical human conduct. Values of a unit is its participation in larger order. Value of a pen is that it helps to write. So it is participating in education, it is participating in documentation, it is participation in creating a book. Value of water is that it quenches the thirst. Participation in health. Similarly, your value with respect to yourself is your participation in the harmony within you. Yes, within the self. If we have harmony within ourselves, then that is our value for ourselves. Value of our body is participation in our external activities as a harmonious human being. Right? Value in the family. Our value in the family is in participation in the harmony of the family. We are here to bring back the harmony in the family. We are here to support the family members. We are here to take the help from the family members. Eventually, we want to live in harmony in the family. Your value in the society is to participate in the harmony in the society. We need to build trust and we need to gain trust from the people living in our society. Your value in the existence, your participation in the coexistence. We need to coexist. We need to respect all other nature. Okay, we need to respect the animals, we need to respect plant, resources, physical facility, everything we need to be coexist with them. Right? In this course, we try to explore the universal values of human being. Let us summarize what is required for a self. Self need continuous happiness, peace, satisfaction, bliss, everything, right? So what is it? Will to live with continuous happiness. Self always have a will to live with continuous happiness. Potential for right understanding, right feeling and right thought will lead to mutual fulfilling behavior and work. Right? Individual human being, coexistence of self and body. So here self-body relationship is important, potential for feeling of self-regulation and healthy body. Then the level of family, feelings of coexistence, trust, respect, all 9 feelings which we have until love. Trust, respect, affection, care, guidance, glory, gratitude and love. Human relationship, potential for right feeling in the self, mutual happiness. Yes, again we want mutual happiness in the family. What is required for the society? Right understanding, prosperity, fearlessness, very important. Trust is required in the society. Coexistence. Coexistence is, see, from individual level we have started about talking about coexistence. In individual, coexistence of self and body. In family, coexistence with the family member. In the society, coexistence with the fellow people. Potential through participation of individual and families in various societal systems. Then next level, nature. Mutual fulfillment. We want to deal with nature for mutual fulfillment. Harmony and relationship is the most important factor. Potential for human being to be in harmony. Right? 4B, existence. So what is required here is coexistence, which is most important thing. Potential for human being to realize the coexistence. We need to realize the coexistence. All these are universal human value. Continuous happiness, coexistence of self and body, coexistence with feelings, coexistence with the right understanding, prosperity, fearlessness, mutual fulfillment and really coexisting. Thank you. Hope so you have understood the values for an ethical human conduct. Let us meet in the next lecture.